Hi, I'm Dan from House of Hoot, and today's video is a really quick one, and it's how to cancel background noise for free. You get rid of the background noise from whenever you want to, and it's completely 100% free. So the program we're going to be using today is Audacity, and it's completely free. You can get it for Windows, Mac, or the Penguin one, and yeah, it's a completely free way of isolating noise in your background and then taking that noise out of whatever your recording is. So it could be a podcast, it could be audio from a video, it could be anything. It could be a fart that you want to play really nicely to prank your little brother, anything like that. Just a beautiful little, yeah, if you've noticed that your audio has a little bit of background, it could be from wind, it could be from a fan over there somewhere, it could be a bit of hiss, it could be anything. Basically, this is how you clean it up in order to, make it sound a bit better. So what we're going to do, get Audacity downloaded if you haven't already. It's available in the description below. Easy enough. And yeah, we'll jump straight into Audacity. So what we're going to do is I'm going to clap because it's going to let me line it up. And what we're going to see straight away in Audacity is I've recorded a little bit of audio. So let's play that.
This is some audio with a fan in the background, just backgrounding away, interfering with my audio.
So you might have heard the fan in the background there. It's just a little USB fan that I have sometimes turned on over there. But basically that's going to ruin my audio. I don't like that being there. So what you're going to notice in this little clip is these little areas of silence. You want to be putting these little areas of silence in before you start recording. Anywhere between 2 and 5 seconds is usually about right, because what it's going to do is it's going to give Audacity something to understand as being bad. We want to get rid of that. So what we're going to do then is highlight this little envelope. We're going to hit effect at the top, and then we're going to go to noise reduction. And this is set into 2 steps. The first step is getting the noise profile, which is what we've just described. It's that little bit of silence that we want in the background. So get noise profile, we hit that, and that basically tells Audacity anywhere you see this sort of noise or hear this sort of, does Audacity hear? Anyway, anywhere this waveform looks a little bit fuzzy, we're going to get rid of that because we don't want that. We're going to dump that. So that means that Audacity knows where to take out the noise. So what you're going to do next, you're going to hit Control A, or you're going to hit Command A, or you're going to hit Flipper A if you're on Linux. I can't help you with that. And then we're going to go to Effect, and we're going to go to Noise Reduction again, and then we're going to come down to Step 2. Now, there's sensitivity and there's frequency smoothing on there. Don't bother with that. It gives you little more tweaks that you can make if you know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, so I stick to the top one, which is noise reduction. Now, the lower you do it, the less noise reduction you're going to get, and you've got a preview button at the bottom. So if you hit preview, with no noise reduction there,
this is some audio with a fan in the background.
We've still got fan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that to about 10 just to see if the noise is gone when I preview it. So
this is some audio with a fan in the background, just background.
And there's still a little bit of noise there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just up that a little bit. And this is all trial and error. It's going to sound different. It's going to be different depending on what your audio actually is. So you're going to have to play with this a little bit. But a couple of things to keep in mind. If you go all the way down here, you're going to have a problem because you're going to sound like a robot or underwater, like so.
This is some audio with a fan in the background, just background.
Didn't sound that bad actually. But yeah, you're going to ruin your audio. So you want to keep it somewhere around, I usually keep it between about 12 and 20, but that's because I've got all sorts of compressors going on my microphone. It could be different for you, so just be careful with this setting. But then hit preview.
This is some audio with a fan in the background, just background.
12 works. 12 works perfectly for me. So you hit OK. What that's going to do is level everything out. Anywhere we had that fuzzy waveform earlier, i.e. here, is now completely smooth and flat. That means there's no signal coming through whatsoever, and it means that your background noise is completely gone. If you find that that's not enough, you can always undo it. You can go back into, you don't need to get the noise profile again. You can just go back into noise reduction and do the process again, and it all works beautifully. So that, in way too long, it was way too long a tutorial, but that is exactly how you remove background noise, unwanted noise for free. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like. If this video was super helpful, don't forget to subscribe because we've got lots of content-y, creation-y stuff that you might be interested in. So have a dig through, I was going to say the archives, but there's not really an archive. There's just some videos there for you to enjoy. Thanks. I'm Dan at House of Hoot. Thank you for watching. Peace.